Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to tonight's performance of Garfield Reed's Money Move, featuring Shaquana Wilson, Sharis Michael, Monique Money Q Ellis, Maxwell Bashi Grant, and Garfield Bad Boy Trevor Reed. Our stage manager is Herbert Francis, technical director Bonnie Allen.
Attitude.
Yes, Pancho.
What? Yeah, man, cut up enough.
I'm here for baby.
Father God, as I come to you this morning, Lord, you know me by name, Jesus. And you know say me is not the one to beg. But Papa Jesus, me I beg you to give me the strength. Give me the strength to deal with that workless tenant that me have, Lord. Me I beg you to give me the strength to pay me rent, Papa Jesus. Lord God, you know me by name, you know God. And you know me by name, you know Jesus. Lord. Wait. Shirt. Pants. All boot too. Attitude.
I want now.
I feel this.
What that? No?
Good. Because I'm going to dash on them backside.
Miss Mama, you can't dash your man close out the door.
Man. Attitude, you bring man in the house?
No, Miss Mama, I'm a brother.
Oh, so your brother is not a man?
Yeah, but Miss Mama, you can't do that, Miss Mama.
You come here with your foolishness.
Attitude.
And you know how
What do you want?
and
And I'm a chairman, I try sleep, man.
Yeah, me know.
Where my clothes, me left for the day.
Ask her.
That's what?
She dash your clothes them out the door.
That's me, but go my clothes.
What a who that go suck out Rasta face. Hey, no wrong with the who you talk to, eh?
This guy gets suck out to you?
No.
Go my clothes. Go my clothes. Oh, where get that? He that who man.
Pacho, will you bring that to yourself up, Pacho?
What do you want? That's my clothes for that do.
Pacho, you know, say the woman gonna put me out now.
Put your tower.
You mean a man here, no man.
Put your memo take care of that. Put your. Go my clothes. Matter of fact, left. You can't come. Where my slippers?
You know.
Man, bright.
You know.
Oh my God, just me close out the door. Yeah.
Mr. Sir, what is your name, sir?
My name, Pacho. What I'm to that?
Nothing, sir. I was just telling her, talking to her about her rent.
What I'm to rent?
Nothing.
So we are talking about rent. For what I'm to rent?
Me just say like, oh, she not pay no rent for this month. She not pay no rent. Yes. It's a nice girl, you know, answer. That is why when time I rent her up here, me rent her up here fully furnished. That means to say when she left up here, she can left up here same way, fully furnished.
You attitude. I'm gonna step.
So we are gonna give me the money.
Money for what?
To pay me rent.
You just hear the woman saying that you never pay the rent.
Yeah. You just hear me say, don't pay no rent. You just hear me say, attitude.
What now?
Come, give me my rent money.
You don't just tell me saying I want.
No, man, God, there people throw them free if you say anything. Come, money.
See, I can't take them all the money, ain't no man.
Now, little while you come in here with your long talk and your long argument.
Oh, attitude.
I'm not patrol. What me doing here now?
Give me money.
We are talking about patrol.
Me coming here with 15,000. Give me.
Ask Miss Mama, you know, she does she close them out the door.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Give me money.
Me don't know which money you talk about.
Oh no, we are to give me money. Give me money.
Explain yourself, no lady.
Give me money.
I mean, sorry, to be honest with you, me remember me head kind of go and come sometimes.
I get chief, give me money.
Attitude, tell the man which money, me don't know which money you talk.
One.
All right. Me your reason with me for that different.
Two.
All right.
Miss Mama, please remember my receipt.
Attitude, you really care, man, coming at my house, come rob me off in my own house. It's all right, attitude. It's all right. It's all right. Attitude, you don't hear the phone ring.
Miss Mama, you don't hear the phone ring. And that woman, I feel like me I walk with her, you know. Hello. Miss Mama, your call.
It's who?
Why young lady?
Oh, she sound like 19. Did you sell shake to him? Hello? Tracy? Oh, Tracy. Tracy, you know you're not to call me unless it is an emergency, Tracy. No, Tracy, but you being sick is not an emergency, Tracy. You have to dead first before you be an emergency. Hello? The blasted girl hang up the phone in my ears, you know. Anytime they start wearing large drawers, that's how they behave. Nighty.
Oh, woman, you don't hear the door knock.
Guys,
What over this?
you don't hear the door knock. Why you not come open it? You know nobody now come up here to me, you know.
Miss Mama, Mr. Greenwood. You can answer the door for me, please. I forgot to put on something very comfortable. Me not really too comfortable like this. Please. Me I beg, Miss Mama, I promise something got in it for you. Just answer the door for me now, please. Me I beg you.
Hi, no pop.
Yeah, man, just sell. Any damn thing, just sell. What me say? You fi just sell. Sell downtown. Yeah, sell Parade, just sell. You see? Sell all Jamaica house, man. How you mean? What my come business place? For sale. Anything you have, sell. So sell Jamaica house is our house. How you mean you can't sell it? Hey, you don't see the White House. What them say? It's the people's house. And Donald Trump tonight and I want to move out. So you sell Jamaica house before the Prime Minister capture it backside. Just sell. Anything me say, just sell it backside, of course. If you are work with me, and me ask if you sell, you not sell?
Yes, sir.
Just sell. What me say?
Sell.
Just sell. Good. After all, you're working with me, man. And if you work with me, and my business place to sell, yes, I sales. You're not selling the damn thing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you saw the madman them capture downtown? If you sell that backside long time, them couldn't capture it. Yes.
Take off your foot off of me.
Yes, just sell that. Eh?
Take off your foot off of my blasted couch.
Yes, I soon come there. Yep. I soon talk to you. Why you are so aggravating? Eh? Why you are so ignorant? Eh? Tell me something. You are the landlady here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, is your name the part? Good. Anyhow, I'm here to see my baby.
Sir, your baby is indisposable at the moment, sir.
Eh?
Yes.
She indisposable?
Yes, sir.
Me rotted. I want to her.
Sir, nothing happened to her, sir. She just indisposable at the moment.
That means I can't see her?
Sir, I was told to let you in and make you be comfortable, sir, and that is what you are doing right now, right, sir?
You don't have to behave like that, you know. You know, we can just socialize, you know. As people,
Oh,
we
no. Come out of the house, sir. Come out of the house. Come out of the house.
Darling.
I don't socialize labor rights or otherwise. Take your act out of me.
No, darling, I don't mean it that way, man. We are big people, so we can sit and talk with one another and all that. Simple.
So if that you mean, then no, that you should have said, sir. That you should have said long time, you know, sir.
Daddy!
Yes.
Oh my God, you're finally here.
Oh, baby.
Hi, Daddy. How are you?
You look so nice and sweet, baby.
Miss Mama, did you meet my daddy, Mr. Greenwood?
Say, you look nice, and
Oh my God, you're finally here, Daddy.
Yes. Oh, inside your heart, though.
Oh my God.
Sir, you know, sir, the fuse blew. Me did have one AC, but the fuse blew. Me sorry, me
No,
have
no, don't worry about that. I can deal with that. I will deal with that.
Sir, you will deal with it?
Yes.
God, sir, me did have some other problems, you know, sir. As God live it, sir. You know, sir, the floor for tile from when it fit tile, you know, sir.
Don't worry yourself. I will deal with that.
And the roof one patch, you know, sir.
Don't worry yourself. I will deal with that.
Sir, you will deal with it?
Yes.
Why, sir? I wonder,
you know,
sure is that, sir?
Yeah, I just come down, you know.
Me, I wonder which part she get her looks them from.
I
She not get nothing from you, only the green hood she get from you.
You know you're funny. The green hood.
Yes.
You know, I just touched on. I just touched on, you know.
You just touched down?
Yeah.
From where, sir?
London.
So, sir, that means to say you're quarantined?
No, I don't have none of that. I don't have none of that.
No. Me not in it with you. Me not in it with you.
What you talking about? What you talking about, darling? Oh!
Yeah.
Social distance.
Yes, sir. Social distancing. As I was saying, sir, you know, so me have some problems outside, sir. Me if you dig one big pit that in a cost me enough money, sir, and me no have the funds.
Don't worry about that.
Sir, I did have one next problem.
Hey, just done it right this, sir. Done it right this. Excuse me, for please. Your time expire.
In my own
Come
house.
sit down, man. Got all this.
Thank you, darling. So we can't go on with the one, man.
I'm gonna chat too much, man.
Hey, you know, so she look me, you know. But me don't want that. How is she? Hey, she really say, me your daddy for you?
No, man, so she know what I'm on her house. I'm about to tell her, see, I'm a zaddy.
Hey, you see you, I'm telling you, you're general full, you know. You trick anybody, you know.
Yeah.
But it's one thing with you know, attitude. I spend my money. Anything you want, me give you, not true?
Yes, Daddy.
All right. So why you have to get yes? You couldn't go uptown and all them places. Eh? You have some nice place uptown where you could go, you know.
A vacation accompany or what?
All right. All right, no problem for you, sir. You see, because
Sir?
here what?
Me want you to look on the paper you for me, sir. And tell me a proof for name you see on the paper, sir.
Oh, see that? Miss Agarias, Zacharias, Miss Mama.
Good. So me want you to know that this place belongs to me. I want you to take up you and your guests and go on a private renting area where me rent. No,
Daddy, come here.
Damn bright.
No, want to the old man there. Go away.
Damn bright and out of order. Damn disrespectful. You come up in my own place and go like say you want to tell me you have to do in a place. You not go work.
Ready for back.
Damn in out of order, man.
I do this.
Rape! Sir, no, you can't rape me out. You say you
Attitude in there.
attitude. Oh no. Yes.
Where she gone?
She gone. Where she gone? She gone somewhere. Somewhere. So, me know.
Long time?
Good. Good while now.
Hold on your car, good right.
Rape. Sorry, me don't know.
Well, listen, yes, when you come back, tell us me there.
Yes.
I'm soon come back.
Yes, sir.
Come and say about your rape.
that boy. What am I do ya? What am I do? I call woman.
Rape, box.
What do you want to daddy?
I caught me a cut.
We are, for what?
What you mean? Me no hear rape. You think me want anybody come rape me?
Daddy, we are talk about daddy.
I caught me a cut. Me, mama tell you that. You see me? Me is a virgin. Nobody no ever get this. And nobody now get this. And nobody now go around this. I cut me a cut.
Daddy, what are you talking about?
Me here rape. Hey, if they want to rape you and you want to rape a few business, nobody will rape this.
Daddy, I miss mama out here, so we have to understand where you get this from.
Eh? I miss mama then I rape. I miss mama then I rape. Eh? I miss mama then I rape. Me ratted. Well, make the rape miss mama, then I rape me. Me a cut.
Daddy, not bother with it, man.
Me not hear me rape and I go on to that. Are you then I rape? How would it out?
Daddy, I miss mama and my brother did come here.
Your brother was here?
Eh? Are your brother rape miss mama?
No, I just saw call him.
Call your brother rape?
Yeah, when you see it, that's bad. Rape!
I said, eh? Boy, a funny name that. Anyhow, you know, someone want to know him. A long time, I go around here, I can't see your brother. But I like to see your brother.
Me like what I want you to see him to, but my brother kind of funny, Daddy.
Funny? Get away from me. Get away. If your brother is funny and your sister, that means you're funny too. Both of you are funny.
What?
I said both of you are funny.
Daddy, another time.
Get away, you funny girl.
That is not.
I said, you funny girl. Get away.
Daddy, it's not that type of fun that me I talk about.
Funny is funny. Any kind of funny is funny.
Daddy, let me just talk to you for a second.
Eh.
You see my brother,
Eh.
him not understand say this all.
Oh, that him don't know something all. Now, hold on.
So, me just have to kind of give it to him smooth, you know? We have to kind of get a little nice get together or something.
Oh, a family get together, family reunion.
Yes, Daddy.
Here, man. We have a family reunion where everybody can come and have a family reunion.
Yes, Daddy.
Good. Well, just have a family reunion. Nothing wrong with it. But we're not inviting nobody, you know.
No?
All right. Listen. I go and leave, you see? And I go and leave my money with you, right? You don't worry yourself, I get it. Listen. Money make you move. Hey. All right. You know what? Johnny Daly, he have a nice place down. We're done robbing way there.
Yes, Daddy.
He have a party there tonight. That's why I want to carry you. Yeah. Big bad party, you know. I don't want you dress them way, you know. We wear a long dress, you know.
So you can come to, sir?
She can't come to?
No.
No. Yeah? I want you wear, you look nice with the, you know, the ski hat.
Yes, Daddy.
First lady. Touch me, darling.
Yes, Daddy, we can't practice your walk for you.
Hey, let me say that, yes, baby, at that one. You are watch me girl and my browning. So hold a pack, you know.
Yes, Daddy, thank you.
Nobody worry yourself because, you know, I saw me have it, you know. You understand what I say?
Yes, Daddy.
Hey, I want you to be a nice lady, you know. A nice family lady, you know. A turn a family woman. You understand what I say?
All right, Daddy.
You know? Yeah, man. Anything you want, you can get it, you know. You see, anything you want, just call me, man.
All right, Daddy.
But just make sure you can breathe.
Bye, Daddy.
All right, baby.
Daddy,
Eh?
me can talk to you about the rent, sir.
The rent?
Yes, sir, the rent.
Oh, the rent. All that then, no?
Thank you, sir.
I don't know how much it is, but yeah.
No, only man, you see, man. She could just make sure.
Attitude, come here.
What is it now, Miss Mama?
Me have a question to ask you, you see? I want you answer me, you see? Your brother, you and him have the same mother and father?
No.
Oh. Come here, wonder from most your mama dirty thinking ways you get for your ways them and looks from. Because your father is such a nice man.
Miss Mama, Miss Greenwood is not my father.
Well, Mr. Greenwood is not your father?
Steep broken hair, yes.
And your brother is your brother, do?
No.
Attitude of what kind of slackness you have going in my house? Who you mean to tell me say your brother is not your brother? And your father is not your father? Come out of my house. Attitude, pack your things them and come out of my house. Leave.
Miss Mama, what you mean?
Miss Mama, pack up your things them and come out of my house.
Oh, Miss Mama, when we are going to leave, Miss Mama?
Me don't want to hear that. All the while, me tell you, say, my granddaughter go come here from time to time. And me don't want no man in my blasted house. And you don't carry not even one, but 2 men coming in my house. You have to go. You got to come out of my house.
Miss Mama.
You say attitude, you could have barely come more, you have to come out of my house.
Miss Mama. Miss Mama, I never grew no mother and no father, Miss Mama.
Okay. So because you never grow with no mother and no father, you take up a random worthless boy be your papa, and one random one be your brother?
It's nothing like that, Miss Mama. Mr. Green will take care of everything. And Mr. Green will pay for my rent, put food on my table. And that's one thing Mr. Green would shatter.
And I want that now.
You know, so that with the intrigue here, you know. But you see, Miss Mama, you see which plan Mr. Green would shot? And they say, Pop Joe, pick up. Hey! Mr. The boy never told me inside, outside, wrong side. I want to feel like me and a bus just collide.
Attitude. Just talk to me straight, attitude. You mean to tell me say one of mine, I wanna grind?
Hello. Yvette, what going, girl? Girl, I'm just there, so go and hold the faith in my G. Yo, I'm tired of life sometime. Right through. Yeah. Girl, I know it's a Pop Joe work. Listen, you tell me about Pop Joe for. You know that they are my food stamping. As you know, say, girl, got it. Yeah, girl. Yo, I love Tony, man. Tony is my act. Me not tell you.
Where's about Tony?
Where's Yvette? Hello? Pop Joe. Them but not 20 style on the arcade.
Bono what?
Them but not 20 style on the arcade.
Come here, kiss somebody.
Where you go, Pop Joe?
Go kiss somebody. Who burn him down?
Pop Joe, you can't go down the Pop Joe.
Them burn your cousin style?
Yes.
Well, kiss somebody. You come.
No, Pop Joe, police down there. Have video it.
No. When we can do police can.
No, Pop Joe don't know, man. I know I say my family, them not like you already. You know,
It don't matter about your cousin. It's like family to me.
It no matter. None of them never dead for you. And me always dead, so we all go.
Wait, your cousin style abandoned. And if me man, your cousin style abandoned, we'll go defend that.
I just don't know me now why I got prison. Please.
Make it start abandoned then. You sure you want me to go by myself?
No, me now why you got but please stay.
Hi. Me not go start. Make it start abandoned. Because you can't have a bad man and your cousin style abandoned and I'm not going to defend it. Yeah, that.
Patro, sit down.
For what?
Patro, me have something to tell you.
No. Every time I sit down, you tell me something. My pay foolish is them. You tell me turn up.
Patro, sit down and you can't go hear me if
Me
you
no
don't sit down.
hear me bottom.
Patro, me not talk until you sit down, you know.
Sit down here.
Babes, I know I say me love you, though.
Me love you too. But you still cousin style abandoned.
Just turn off for that, no, man. You know me love you, though.
Yeah, me know.
I know me not really too like how me I live.
You like how you live. You come so stupidness. You know like how you live. You not live in the room. And with your good clothes and here and damn food. Remember you don't like how you live. Eh? What can I make? You want a little bit better than this?
I'm trying to see easy in my list, so I have to tell you.
But you tell me you don't like how you live.
I'm trying to look fast people that I tell daddy see me there with gun, man.
gunman?
It's...
Who tell father?
I don't know, me just hear it, Pacho.
Your father come here?
Him just gone.
As somebody tell him, say, you the gunman? Other woman, I do it, you know. Hey, look all of
Pacho!
Hey, look all rotten face, man.
Stop the
Where she there?
Pacho,
I better not bust up your face. Hey, can rotten John Teeth, man.
I miss Mama Pacho.
Wait, move. Dirty woman. Hey, woman.
stop
You see the car, Rasta name? I bust us in your face.
Pacho, don't know Pacho.
Where she there?
I miss Mama.
How do that?
After me don't know.
Hey, baby. Oh, me know. I bet.
You know what?
Me want about like a lamb more thinking about girl, you know. Me say that girl will tap car, me name. I better go down, I kick a boss up that girl.
Pacho, I'm bad with you know, see, I don't fight talk against my friend now. I mean,
Friend, where? Oh, there, how she go tell the father about the gunman?
It's not Yvette.
Gunman to you.
It's not Yvette.
Ah, no, Yvette.
No.
Then now who?
After me don't know.
Then I tell you how do it. It must be the old man. Yvette.
Pacho, don't know, man. I really raise up my blood pressure, you know.
Where your father? I want to see him right now.
Me say him guy, I have to go see him next day. Him not come back, you know.
Go. Say, I come back?
Yeah, but...
Me, I wait to come back.
No, him not come today. Him come one next day.
So, where move wait till he come back?
I'm sorry. Let's go and lay down in the house now, man.
Me no want lie down. I kill that woman. That woman, I come in him to Papa.
I'm sure.
Me want meet the father. Look how long you say you're going to meet your father. And now I can't meet him because he's thinking more.
I'm sure those time now, please, me I beg you, please. Just go lay down on the bed.
Women, I'm hungry.
Make so come carry the food, come here, please. I really stress me out.
Where Bonanza is living last night then?
Stand that bed.
Where Bonanza is on that bed? They get like nasty, no, man.
Yeah, that man, yes, man. Just dark, ignorant, and fool. Hello. Girl, just... Me now come down that now. Yeah, me go call daddy and make him meet me when I can. I can't pop through there. Alright, me so forward. Pacho!
Yo.
Me I go down at 20 seconds go see a walk one fee. Me soon come back.
No move, no left me, me I come.
Eh?
Me I come with you.
Where I go?
Don't ask to install.
Yvette carry me.
Yvette,
Yeah.
this same long more thinking about game level. Go on.
That boss you can give me?
Go and make Yvette carry you.
I thought so.
Go and make Yvette carry you. You're going to hit up in a battery with you.
Oh, I'm to the door, yeah, man. Sure. Me soon come back. Make sure you stay there. Me soon come.
You know, that girl there move monkey.
All right, thank you. Ma! Mama! Mom, home! Where the old lady are gone, man? Ma? Miss Lana, have you seen my grandmother from morning? So everybody is. Get something to drink. So I know where everybody is.
You what?
Excuse me, who are you?
Question answer the question we just asked you already.
I am Tracy, Miss Mama's granddaughter. Are you a tenant here?
No.
Oh, so you're one of my friends.
No.
Okay, so who are you and how did you get in my house?
Yeah. Police, I lie.
Do you see a uniform? Obviously not. So how did you get in my house?
Quick question for you. You have more questions to ask me?
No, so could you kindly leave?
Me fi do? Where's the fi do? Where just am fi do? Me not. Who? Put me out.
Are you serious?
I will. No man, I want boy named Trevor. Me here say police nearly lock up cause him a keep party when not supposed to a keep. Yeah man, me we come. Yeah. Satan, hold your position.
Ma. Ma, who is this?
When I told come back, last time I come back. And that means I must come back.
Yes, sir. All right, Mr. Houdini.
My name Pap Chow. My name Houdini. Pushini.
Go push in, go push the A. You make me go get really that far, you know why. When you come back and look for me granddaughter, but you know who did you push it. That boy could have ring can out of that Tracy.
All right, ma, calm down.
Tracy, me no want you tell me if you calm down, man. Him too dear, me no tired and disrespectful.
Ma, can you just be calm?
Tracy, the man and look for you until you say no.
All right, ma, I'm gone now. Can you just be calm and acknowledge me?
Tracy, me not like them
Ma,
something.
you too
dear,
deserve a man. Calm down.
Me not like them something, them man. Tracy, just get me grieve.
Easy, man, ma.
Oh, Tracy, what I go on now, Tracy?
Ma, you know I missed you at school.
So you're supposed to miss me, Tracy.
You don't miss me, ma?
Use me one granddaughter, you know, Tracy. Tracy, boy, all the while me look on you, you remind me of your grandfather so much, you know, Tracy. Oh, God.
Ma, don't start.
You know, remember when I meet your grandfather? It was a warm Sunday evening. He was wearing blue shirt, green pants, yellow boot, and a nice pink.
See, then the time that your papa did that look me, you know. Every time.
Tracy, I mock you over there, mock me?
No, ma.
No, Tracy, I really mock you over there, mock me, Tracy.
No, ma, I was just saying.
Tracy, no bother with it, man. Me know you turn up over there, mock me, Tracy, because you know how me feel about your grandfather, Tracy. And you turn up over there, mock me. Tracy, I really mock you, turn up over there, mock me, Tracy.
No, ma, I wasn't mocking you. I was just saying I've heard this story like a million times. You don't have to say it to me again.
Tracy, me no want you stand up over there, mock me, man, because you know how me get when me ready to talk about your grandfather, Tracy.
Ma, I understand. And I shouldn't have went there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma.
Tracy, not touch me, man. Me ignorant when you're ready to talk about your grandfather, Tracy.
Ma, just calm down now and look at me. Ma, you don't still need a hairstyle. Ma, I have some good news for you. I know it's going to cheer you up. You hear me?
Yes, Tracy.
Well, I just wanted you to know that I'm doing pretty well in school.
Tracy, you don't have no choice. You think you have choice? You have to do well in a school. Because all of them, the money they will me pay for your school fee, you have to do well. You don't have a choice.
Okay.
That is why all the while me tell you, say, Tracy, work with me. Eat like a tin mackerel and sardine, but no. I pay Burger Kill and KFC you want.
Did you seriously just say mackerel? Mackerel, ma, ew.
Ew? Tracy, ew? Tracy, you know say back in our days, one mackerel we did have. Nowadays you have much mackerel for fruits from. You have geddies, you have grace, you have much different type of mackerel for fruits. You have all one of me here say I take away all people, man. And you come here come talk about you? Tracy, no bother with the you, Tracy.
Anyways, back to the important stuff. As you know, ma, I started my social science class last year.
Jesus, please, Tracy. Tracy, me never know say me has pay my money for you go to Obia, Tracy.
Obia, miss, social science is a faculty, all right? Get with it.
No, that you should have said, then, Tracy, you come here with your big words and you know me and the big words, them, Tracy.
Anyways, so I'm proud to report that this thing don't open, man. I'm proud to report, ma, that I got a B in sociology, an A in physiology, an A in social science, and a B in social biology. Ma, can you believe when I saw those grades, I went crazy. I was like, me, Tracy and Biggs, at the top of the charts. I couldn't believe.
Wait, Tracy, wait. You mean to tell me, say, all the time I said you go to school, you come here with A and B, and I just see two of them there, I want 26 letters of the alphabet, Tracy. I just A and B alone, you come here with Tracy? No, Tracy, no. There's something you can't work in my house, Tracy. You have to come out of my house. This is not going to work on backside in my house. Tracy, you want 26 letters of A and B, you come home with what to the rest of the letters them in the
Ma,
alphabet.
A's and B's are actually the best grades you can get in school.
But Tracy, that you should have said when you start the conversation, because you know say me not so equipping on my brain, Tracy. You still come here and come
Ma,
talk
but
to
listen
teachers.
to me though. I said A's and B's. Why would I be so proud to tell you about my A's and B's?
Tracy,
Anyways, you were telling me something over the phone about the tenant business that you had.
Tracy, come
You
here.
said you switched tenants.
Come here, Tracy. Sit down right as a Tracy.
Miss Lana gone country again?
Miss Lana. Tracy, me Vic Miss Lana backside all long time.
Ma, so, like, seriously, this is why I call and check up on you, because you're keeping things from me now, you know. So who is this tenant any better?
Like the devil from hell.
Lord Jesus,
Be a
ma.
problem she give me.
Is she young?
Tracy, me have something I want to tell you, Tracy. When you come in my school, I want to teach you something, Tracy.
Teach me.
You
What
see,
do you come with now?
you see the girl over here, so? She don't have half the subject where you have, Tracy. And just one time she come in here with 3 subject then. She come in here with all of the letters of the alphabets. And she come in here with all of the numbers in the numerical something. Yes, that Tracy.
Okay.
So at that you need to learn, Tracy. You get what I say? She have her daddy come here to her. And she have her brother come here to her, Tracy.
Okay.
But the lesson I want to teach you is named GD.
You mean TD?
Tracy name GD, no confuse me, brother.
Ma, the subject is TD, technical drawing.
Jesus, peace, Tracy. Me old, but me no fool, Tracy. GD, Green Daddy.
Green Daddy, what?
The man, her daddy come over here to her. Him have enough money, Tracy. When me tell money, he have money, so him have shit money. You see me, I say, Tracy, enough money, man.
Why are you too extra, man?
Tracy, I told him. But Tracy, me tell you what more you have to do for me. You
What about the brother? Ma,
Tracy, what
you're telling me something I may ask you full story. I know you want.
to do about the brother, Tracy.
Because you just tell me about the father, I know you don't want to tell me about the brother.
You know, if he steer so bad.
Come on, tell me about him. What is he like?
The brother is a gunman and a thief.
Nah.
I told him.
Ma, there's no such thing as a gunman.
Him a thief, him wicked, we told Tracy. Avoid him. You see, when time Mr. Green Daddy come over here, me want you to use a nice college student, so you're likable. So me want when him come over here, Tracy, you talk to him and sweet him up and ask him for a little donation, like to your school.
Ma, you know you're very out of order.
Tracy, what
No,
you,
no, no, stop right there. You know what? Ma, look at me.
Tracy, me
No, I want you to take a good look.
Me not
Look from head to toe what you see.
Tracy, me not
You're
tell
telling me, your ambitious granddaughter, to go and take money from this stranger that I know nothing about?
No, me not tell her that.
That I have never met? So you're soliciting me to this stranger?
Me not tell her to suck out him tongue, Tracy. Me just tell her to give him a little chups here and there just to make him feel good. You know them old man, they just like them little something there. Tracy, come. I'm not Tracy, man. Tracy.
Ma, the answer is no. You hear me?
Tracy, all right then. I don't know how the rent go work this month.
Oh, you don't know how the rent is going to work? Well, let me tell you something. Because I, Tracy and Biggs, will not belittle myself to please you or your insatiable greed for money. You must be crazy. You know what? If you want him and your money is not stretching enough, why the hell are you not going to take him?
Tracy, come here. Tracy. Tracy, sometimes you don't pick and pick so till you don't pick shit. You don't know that. Jesus, peace. Me don't understand what I'm to them little young girl. Yeah, dad. Them pick and pick so till them pick foolish thing.
If a man wants it, my baby, you don't find it. Way. Cock a fart. What's in that there? What's that? Man, what the music need to play in this place, man.
Quite clearly, so let me just, yeah, I was using this area, yeah, this is where I study, so if you don't mind, please to turn it off or take it somewhere else. Thank you.
How would I get my girl me appear renting at this. Say, me want to turn up my music, me turn it up as loud as me want. How would I get?
Obviously, you don't know who you're talking to. So let me just introduce myself. Lovely, I am Tracy Ann Biggs, granddaughter of Miss Mama.
So?
To whom you're paying rent, darling, rent. Which makes me partial owner of this house. So, when I am here using this space, I ask you to be respectful of that, okay? If you cannot do that, my dear, please to play your music in the streets.
It's just a while ago.
No, I didn't stutter.
Just a while ago, me for do what?
Did not stutter, I don't think I did.
You want me to tell you for do? Take up your book and go on in your mother room before me have to rub you out yourself. That me make you know. Oh, you know which girl you ramp with. What you feel like?
Okay, Mr. Ghetto. You know, it's come quite evident to me that Ma has the poorest taste in tenants. First, she chooses the most boisterous human beings.
Boisterous like your mama? Listen! Hey, girl, you better come go like your prim and proper in this, you know. I feel like you want to talk again as if, hey, you want to talk again?
Prim and proper.
You want to talk again?
It seems like you were short of something growing up in your childhood to make you behave like such a classless.
Hey, girl, you owe me. You don't owe me, girl. You don't owe me.
Jesus, awa.
You don't owe me. And I don't know say me bust up our face now this.
What? I want to fight over. I mean, you want to fight over? Eh? All right, take it easy. Take it easy, baby. What want to fight over? Eh?
You don't make it. All right. Look at your face, you know owe me.
You need to call the police and get out of here.
All right.
Hold rat.
All right, darling.
Get out. You assaulted me in my own house.
Go inside. Go
inside. Pitch by that junk, man.
All right, me will deal with it. All right, calm down, let's calm down. Oh.
You belong in a cell. Hold rat.
Hey, where trouble woman for?
You see me troubling anybody? Look here, sir. I was playing my music here. I came here playing my music. This is my house. And I played my music. And no, she came in here playing her music. And I was studying. And she saw me. I know she saw me. I'm not invisible. Can't you see me?
Yeah,
can you see me?
Yeah.
Yes, you can see me. And she saw me
you look darkish.
Hey, go and shut again.
Hi.
Go and shut again. You know who this is? Eh? I'm the house in the Look at your face, you know. Hey, look at me.
Jesus have mercy. No? Hey, never part a fight between two women. What am I fight for? Eh?
Yeah, hello, you need to get her out of this house. You need to call the police. You need to get her out of
Tell me
this house
something.
because she's assaulting me.
Where you come in
in
here
my-
and fight? Where you come in here and fight the woman for? Eh?
What?
You and Donald Trump, my friend? You and Donald Trump? Come to people's house and don't want to come out?
Who are you?
What do you mean, who are me? Eh? Who are you? My name is Greenwood. What's yours?
You know what? I can't even do this right now. Who are these people?
Where you call these people? You come to the woman's house and don't want to fight her?
Hey, me tell you again, you know.
All right,
You go
darling.
where you turn down the music anytime you see me in here.
All right, don't worry about that. Me will deal with it. You hear?
Anytime me turn on my music, nobody with it, you know, cause me, hey.
All right. All right.
What you feel like?
All right, attitude. No feel no way.
I
Yeah?
think some man, I think a paper money me I use in this.
No, I don't pay for money. Jesus, have mercy. So where you coming home and fight the guy for? I said my name is Greenwood. What's yours? What you doing here?
Listen to me. My name is Tracy.
Tracy? Then Tracy, where you doing?
My grandmother is the owner of this house to whom your daughter is paying rent, sir.
My daughter? Oh, what is my daughter? Let's talk about my daughter. Let's talk about my daughter.
So that young lady over there is not your daughter?
Oh, yes, yes. She just called me daddy, and so she called me daddy. You know, you can call me daddy too.
Listen to me. Do not try that again.
Where you going, sir? You still go to school?
College.
You go to college? How old is? How old are you?
19.
19. That means me can't go to prison again.
Excuse me.
So what you studied?
Social science.
Social science?
Not that you know anything on that subject.
No, man. But me used to study them things there, no? Social science, you know. Yeah, man. We used to work over a whole heap, you know. I have a brother who flew around a girl with me. I mean, just walk over and told him he can walk back, you know. But it don't work out for me. Some of the brother is science
Do you have a
business.
purpose here, sir?
No, you see. We just come here, you see. Like how you're there now.
Excuse me. This is very expensive.
Oh, me can't buy that, man. You don't have to feel no way. You understand? I just want to socialize with you, you know, babes. You know what I'm with?
Listen to me, whatever the who it is. Yeah.
You don't have to
I was
try.
studying here and I just need my space. Can you just leave?
Hey, listen, you don't have to bother with the green hood. If you can't manage the green hood. You just say hood, I'm going to deal with that.
Okay. Are you done?
Hello, sir. Me never know you can school teacher now.
I come in, darling.
Me need you in my room like now.
All right, I come in. You hear? I feel no way. Hey, that's how she stay, man. You don't have to worry about her, you know. So she stay. When she want man, you know, I mean, when she hungry and want food, yes, that's what she want.
Okay.
So tell me something now. Me can do anything for you. You're there,
Are
you're
you
there for holiday, haven't you?
Cliff Hughes or what?
Cliff Hughes?
Yes.
Cliff Hughes, I won't answer.
Because all of a sudden I feel like I'm on Nationwide at 5. What's with all these questions?
Oh, that brother there. Yeah, man, I did my friend, man. You know what I mean? I did my friend. But you what now? You see all you know. You see like, oh, you're there for holiday? Are you on holiday now? Don't it? It's on holiday. You know, say, like, oh, you're on holiday, you know. You can't set you up, you know. You know, say, I go want you look nice up, money for fix your hair and buy all your clothes and all them things. You can't set you up with them things there, you know. Yeah. All you have to do is just say the word.
You know what? Father God, I've had it.
Where you laughing?
Had it.
Where you say?
Look at me.
You look
Sir,
damn
look-
good.
No. Take a good look
Yes,
at
man.
me.
Yeah, man, you look damn good. Wow.
Yeah, up here.
Yeah, man, I look fine everywhere.
Do I look like I'm in need of your charity, sir?
I'm here to talk to you.
Do I look like I need a sugar daddy? What is this? Who are you? Excuse me.
I'm here to talk to girl. Hey, girl. You believe you look beautiful speaking? Can't put money in your pocket? You believe you're beautiful speaking? Can't send you go to school? Girl! You believe you're beautiful speaking? Can't pay rent? And money do it. Money. And me get money. See, me have money, enough money. See, so all you have to do is make you move.
Mr. Greenwood? Mr. Greenwood, come now. Tracy, how you make Mr. Greenwood gone, Tracy? Tracy, how you make Mr. Greenwood? Tracy, then you're real? And which girl nowadays that dash your money, no, sir? You must be a robot, Tracy.
Ma, what did I do to deserve that money, huh?
Tracy, you don't do nothing to deserve it, Tracy. That's why it's supposed to be nice, Tracy.
You know, I'm convinced that there's something very wrong with you.
What you
That
mean?
you need to get checked out.
Tracy, what you mean, Tracy?
Where I know the man from. What
The
I need
man
to
that
be-
give you money and you don't want to take it, Tracy. Something happen wrong with you. Your head chip. You have to go check your
Ma,
thing.
listen to me. Because I was here trying to study, and then your tenant came along. She go on to do most things. And then her father came along, and him go on with a proper bag of chips. And then you come. Now, I would like, if you don't mind, I would like to get back to my studying.
Tracy, me tell you, so you have to talk to the man, Tracy. Me not tell you, say, you have to go at the world with the man or if you suck out the man tongue, Tracy. You don't want to do that, Tracy?
Excuse
Want
me?
to you?
Ma, you're back with this again?
Tracy, want to you?
No, Ma, you're really back with this
Yes, because something happen wrong with your head. Your head half a leak. And the book them get to you?
How can I put this so you can understand? Because you're quite slow, you know, I realize. Ma, you see, in order for me to be in a relationship with a man, in order for me to have feelings and like that man, I'd first have to get to know him. There must be something about that man that catches my eye, that sets my jaws on fire.
Money not catch your eye, Tracy. Money not catch your eye.
There's not a thing on that nincompoop that sets my jaws on fire, okay?
Papa, Jesus, you see, I know, you know. You know, them little young girl, they head, God know. I don't know if the book I get to them head or corona or something. Something I get to no head, Tracy. Because when time I no pick, I don't know, pick the right. I'm tired to tell them, say, no, go pick shit. Shit.
Nobody will do for argument again. One have attitude inside me.
You couldn't make me call the word good, sir, before
What
you
you say,
come.
whatever?
Nothing. Attitude, somebody come to you. Sorry, Mr. Sir.
Why?
What do I want to you?
Oh, my belly pop show.
Belly? What do I belly?
I don't know, you know.
What do I belly?
Something in the room.
When I want the belly?
Pop show me in a pain.
Pain?
Yes.
When I want the belly?
I need to walk me dead now.
What want to her?
Pop show.
You can't drop yourself like that.
Me na my belly and go in my inner way and go make me trip.
Oh, gosh.
We are laughing.
No, the pill in the
Pop
room.
me.
The pill in the room, sir.
You are pill?
Yes, Pop show. I got me dead now.
We are doing something. We are he that.
Pop show, damn low on mine.
We have to do that to yourself.
Me grown yourself in a pop show.
So we are drop yourself so far.
Pop show no pill in the room. Pop show you me go down a shop.
Stop.
Okay. Pop show just go down a shop, please. Me beg you, hurry up.
Oh, me don't have money. You have money?
No, me don't have money. Just go down a shop,
The
please.
money in the room.
No, but the money in the room, Pop show.
What kind of pill?
Just buy me 2 pill killer, please.
Painkiller.
The girl are wicked. I think you're wicked, you know. You're wicked, God know. You know the man was here before the word?
Oh, yeah, Daddy.
You take man for fool.
Zeros now. Zeros.
Yeah, Tabo.
You take man for idiot.
What are you talking about, Daddy?
What me I talk about? Or me a nice outsider?
No, me and Miss Mama, what you say, Daddy?
Me and you.
Yeah, Mr. Man, what you talk?
Yes, Daddy.
I'm here something about pop chow.
Oh, me did I tell Miss Mama to buy some patch for me, she go down the market.
Yeah, tell Miss Mama to buy pop chow for you. Look at me, I have money. Are you doing that? Eh? I can buy anything you want. Eh?
Daddy, me just never want to pressure you, Daddy.
Oh, you will pressure me? You can't pressure me?
And the man had an axe steal.
Do I look like an oxtail?
No, Daddy.
Anything you want, you just ask me. And Miss Mama, How much for the pop chop?
Tired to laugh over that.
What you laughing about?
Pop chop about 10,000 them time.
$10,000?
Yes.
All right, just buy some pop chop here, see?
Thank you, sir. You don't want anything else at the market? No little cucumber, no zucchini, no eggplant.
She don't go market.
All right then. You sure you don't want me buy care about some Panadol like what you had her?
Panadol?
Our brother gone buy it already, me forgot.
Eh? Your brother was here?
Yes, him did there a while. Oh.
Huh? Don't you never call me? Eh? Imagine me inside there and you're sick out here. And you have to call your brother to come buy Panadol for you. And you could just tell me can buy a pharmacy here, girl. How would you?
Daddy, I didn't sleep and I never want pressure on me.
You can't just talk about pressure. You come and wake me. I said I want some pill and I just send them by the pharmacy. Come on, girl. So, tell me something. When me I get to see your brother? Him nice to you still, you know? Yeah, man, him take care of you. I like how you're sick and him just come and just buy a pill for you and him close, man. We like that, you know? Remember, you know, I tell you, say we're going to have a big party. You understand?
Yes, Daddy, but you can't get some brother so quick.
Why? Why am I not going to see him?
My brother kind of funny, Daddy.
Funny? The funny? You're going back with a funny business there?
No, Daddy, it's just...
Just what?
Him just not like come round so much like how him used to it. Because, you know, him have whole heap of woman like...
Woman?
Yeah.
What them thing them used to do, man. Sometimes for weeks, the band see me gone and my girl yard. That's why there's no problem about that, man. Hey, you look nice and sexy. I want to know your brother still. But me still have that party in mind now. A big party, you know, babes. You remember?
Yes, Daddy.
All right. So nobody foolishness, because you know, say you're my brown, you know, babes. Money that, you understand what I say? Good. Just set up yourself. I'm going to tell you how I want you look, you know.
Yes, Daddy.
Nice. No. I remember saying, no. I'm mother more Anthony now. Make sure you can breathe.
Right.
What me say? Breathe. All right, babe. All right.
Boy. Now you're a nice door.
Fishing, ring, 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 ring. And the sound of money that you know. Fishing, ring, ring, ring. Fishing, hey, me must rich this year, you know, when me raise my rent.
Are you mad?
Me mad? Attitude, me mad. After me distinctively tell you, say me no want no man in my house. You alone carry all a 2 man coming in. No.
Miss Mama, I'm tell you say something I got in night for you, man.
From when you tell me say something in night for me, I know me can't get nothing out of it, you know. But me want my something, you know, attitude. Want my something out of it. Come, attitude, come with the money.
Miss Mama, what you talk about?
Come now, man. Me tell you, say me no want no man in my house and you carry 2 man come in here. Where's my granddaughter in here? Come. You have to pay.
As you talk about that, you go want a little butter years girl there, you know.
Excuse me?
Me say, I bet you want a butter years granddaughter years. Because I want thing never tell you. I want to wait for come out to me know say this a girl and I move.
And it now go be my granddaughter, you know. Because at the end of the day, blood thicker than water. And my granddaughter now go come out of my house and you hear me and say, attitude. Me don't know what she do, you know. But anything she do, you make me don't know warm to the girl Tracy, you know. Me don't never talk to Tracy because she always a contact about look at me. Come no man.
Ma, I hope you're not out here discussing me with anyone.
Tracy.
Because I just heard you mention my name.
Attitude, come back. Tracy, why you always company wrong time?
What do you mean wrong time? I came and I heard you said my name to her. Why does my name have to be mentioned
Tracy,
to
me
her?
I try to collect my rent money, man. What to you, Tracy, man? You're bright and
How does my name get involved in you collecting your rent money? I don't understand.
Book smart, I'm not street smart, you know, Tracy. Book smart is not street smart. What to you?
I don't want you calling my name to that girl. Please.
Tracy, what you not have,
Me
Tracy?
and her have nothing. We could never have anything. No beef here whatsoever. We're in 2 different classes.
Tracy, me tired. If you tell you, so when you talk to me, if you talk to me straight, you know, Tracy. What you do the little girl over here, so Tracy? Will you not leave her alone?
Ma, just drop it. It's just a misunderstanding. We have nothing.
Peace, Tracy. You come back with them big word there again, Tracy. You come back in my house with them big... Hey.
Don't worry, I'm going to buy a dictionary.
You see, if you wasn't my blood, me tell you about your blood long time.
William, come.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. So I just wanted to say, I think I owe you an
No,
apology.
you know what me done. You know what me done. You're all right. You are all right. First, I see me jump to the bank and close, you know. You hear me? I said,
Right,
you know what me done that. Cool.
No. I'm trying to apologize. I realized that I
You
did
never
something
apologize.
wrong.
No. Everybody is entitled to their own opinion of something.
That's
or
true, and I realized that I was wrong in how I handled the situation.
Give me
That you're
data.
a person.
Data. Don't cut my block. Don't cough in the industry. Everything, please.
You're sure about that? Hello? You're sure about that? I just want to know that we're cool.
Data.
Okay.
Good.
What's your name?
So you want my name now?
Sure, I mean,
Look at my Skype.
what?
They'll come down, catch it. Name Trevor.
Stop playing. Trevor. Trevi. I don't know, I think I like him.
Yvette, you can do me a favor, please? Go down to Tony stall for me now, please, and tell him I can't come down there right now. Yeah, just around 5 o'clock, I come meet him. Girl, pop through there in the house, and I can't come out of the house, girl. All right, thanks, here. Yes, I'm rating a girl. All right, later.
Hey.
Jesus.
What that big man for? Eh? Oh, wait, what kind of generalship you play for me? Hmm? After me tell say if you come at the party, or if you dress up nice, I'm dead there wait and all, I tell my friend them to brown dog. Eh? Shine all my Benz to the rain, wait it up. Eh? Don't tell me she, man. How can I get wait about she?
Daddy, me in hurt me. Just stop it nice, Daddy.
Your head hurt you? Backside, she tremble. Oh my God. What happened to you, baby?
Daddy, we need to
Your head hurt you?
please, yes.
You see it? Because you not eat nothing, you know. You're up and down hungry belly, you know. Let me go get 2 pills of those here.
Oh, God, me dead now.
Jesus have mercy. No, me don't want you dead, baby. Come, baby. Come.
Attitude, what come to you?
She go dead. Come, baby.
Daddy, I can't do that to me, Daddy, please.
All right.
No pill in the room,
No
Daddy.
pill in the room?
No, you have to go down to the pharmacy, please.
But attitude, remember the pill in the room.
No pill in the room, Daddy. Go to the pharmacy, please. I beg you, may that hurt me.
All right. What kind of pill you want?
2 Ultra.
2 Ultra. All right. Remember, 2 ultrasound.
Yes.
All right, baby. 2 ultrasound coming up.
Attitude, you're wicked, you know attitude. You're boss, hell attitude, me I tell you the truth.
God know this has stressed me out.
Attitude, wicked enough.
This has stressed me right out. Hello? Yvette. Sorry for bother you. Just do something for me again, please. I can't come down there. Just tell Tony I can't come down there today. Like, I'm going to do it tomorrow. Yeah, me and Daddy have to go on one date. Just do that for me now, my girl, and stop going like you're an idiot. All right, my girl. Later. Thanks, here.
No, but Tracy, you have to listen to me, you know, Tracy. No, Tracy, this is not right, Tracy. Take it up and go on, Tracy.
I don't want to listen to that, Mom.
What do you mean you don't want to listen to me? Me tell you to
Ma,
take it close to
I'm
me.
not 10 years old anymore. You
You say
always
you're not
want
10
to
years old, Tracy.
control my life.
But Tracy, you have to listen to me, Tracy. The man is a...
He's a human being just like me and you, Ma.
The man is a gunman and a thief, Tracy. Not good for you at all.
Ma, can I determine what is good or not good for me, please?
No, Tracy.
I am 19 years old now. I mean, I'm 1 year over the age of an adult.
Tracy, I'm in a business where you want to say.
What do you mean you're in a business that... So what, I don't know what's good for me?
No, you
Ma,
don't.
you live your life already, you know, allow me to live mine.
Me wonder if you laugh or if you cry when you say that, Tracy. Me I tell you the honest truth, Tracy.
Ma, I need to make some decisions on my
I
own.
care about you, know,
I
Tracy.
know, and
Me
it-
no want you make the same mistakes where your mother make, you know, Tracy. That's
And you smothered her to death. You want to smother me too?
Tracy, you really said that what you about, Tracy?
Ma, I'm sorry, but somebody had to tell you the hard truth.
It's all right, Tracy. Me go collect some partner money down.
Ma,
It's all right, Tracy.
ma, be safe on the road.
My face of the man.
What do you mean by come here, man? You notice I be a bump in your face.
But make it work in time. Bump good for the eye.
Hello, my man can't walk up and down with them bump here. Come here, boy.
Listen, man. When we come back, me.
Pop true, stop me, man. I'm just supposed to look about me in your face. So come here, man. Be a stop me, man. Sure.
That.
Oh, God, man. Look on them something you're big
Where
and
about
nasty, man.
your boss is already.
Stop, man, some man.
Your boss.
Cha-cha.
Boom. One more bump again.
No, man.
Trev,
Cool, baby. Come. You don't know, no.
Oh, I just gone on, okay?
Wow. Just go on.
Trev. Cool, no, baby.
Wow.
I went since girl I call you, baby. And I went since you a call she, baby. Oh, by the way, how she know your name?
How she know my name?
Oh, the girl, yes, sir. No, your name.
What do you mean, how she know my name? No, my name. I'm a girl, hour.
But you know say me not like the girl.
So because you don't like the girl, I never like the girl?
What you mean? You're not my man.
But, what can I stand
Any girl what me not like, you not for like them either. What you talk about? What you say?
Me don't like Yvette.
So that read me?
How you like Yvette?
Move out of me.
What
Come on, oh, you feel... Me say me not like the little girl. And you me tell me say, you and girl have conversation up to the point where she can know your foot. Hey, boy, you know who me? Eh? You know who me? You don't know which girl you're around putting up, boy. Hey, me tell you something, me bust up here this now. One thing, you don't know say. Hey, boy, I'm going to take up your things them and I'm going, I'm going to take up your things them and going, boy. I'm going to take up your things them and go. Hey, boy, take up your things them and come out of my place now, boy. Hello, what me say for though? Where things them there? You me tell me say me not like this girl here. And out of everybody else out of this place, you feel like say you be in a one bag of chatting with girl, eh? Hey, boy.
Where you put on black for?
Somebody funeral are going tonight. You never answer to my question. I will go on.
I told you, where you go? Yeah, idiot.
You don't know some you bust up girl face.
What?
Yeah, my man.
Yes, me know that. How? That. Ali girl says, hi, I'm by. Something with that. If you're not going to something, me going to not know where you do this for. You just see a move insecure like some idiot. Eh?
So you call me idiot now?
You're an idiot. Eh? You ever see me look like this? You ever see me look no man? How you be love? I'm here there. The girl say hi and by and yeah, take up like a you should call to. Hey, yeah, me. Stop one, sir. Stop one like that. And I'm tear your face. Yeah? Are you married there? No girl can come between me and you. So start move like you're idiot.
Not true.
What?
Me just not like how you deal with me sometime, you know.
How me deal with you? Me love the eye, you me love. Because me try to get out of the place. Yeah. Stop move so insecure and like you're idiot. And I go change like away the why guy you know that. Yes, you look stupid. Take away bag. And carry back inside. So you see me do the papa, no, I'm do the papa, never kiss you.
Yeah, frightening me.
Wait. So mad girl. Mad girl. Girl, I'm mad. Girl, just start going mad, man. Come here.
Yes, Pop Chow.
Where you go?
Shit. Shh. You know, so I'm supposed to go meet my father down the road.
You know that's what I mean.
Pop Chow.
Yeah.
You know, sir, me and daddy supposed to deal with some business and come back up here, sir.
Yeah.
And me the why I meet him in about. Me have to go wait till late. Later, babes. And another thing. I need some more still.
No.
I need me appearance for. I know why you tell so. Some matter of fact.
I cannot turn it up, no.
Daddy. Hey, girl, you me a look for. I tell you something. You see that man there in there, so? Him not your mackerel. Strictly vegetable. Him is a vegetarian.
This room needs some air freshener. Hello.
Yo. Hey. Yes, you have a dog place, eh? Tell the man, say, he go and have him more about no, just go tell him, say, me say more about it. Yeah. Cool. I come back and find a number here. You don't have business offer number, just come back and find a number. Me want woman here. Good. Let me ask you a question, you see. How are your attitude up?
Why does everybody want to bring that girl's name to me? What did she tell you?
Did the teacher ask a question and not answer a question?
Okay. I was sitting out here studying because I have ambition. I want to get somewhere in life. So she came out here in her bottom rider, whatever the hell that she called it. And she was playing her music all loud and whatnot. So I signaled to her and said, I'm here studying, can you have some respect? I said it very respectful, I think. And she proceeded to turn the music up. So I was like, okay, apparently she didn't hear me. So let me just turn it down for her and then say what I said again. So she started behaving all boisterously and carrying on. And she even proceeded to assault me. I still need to get a doctor's bill for the hit which she hit me in my breast right here. So from that, she's been eyeing me. I don't know.
Say music play low, make you like your ears.
Excuse me?
You hear me say?
Lock my ears. I'm trying to focus and study. Isn't that important?
She name attitude. That's what she stand.
Yeah, but it's disgusting.
She
how
stand so. That's how she go. The girl have an attitude. That's why you call it attitude.
So tell me something.
No mind. We'll talk to her, but make sure how you approach her again. You see her music play, they like ears, I leave her alone.
You seem to really care about her.
I'm a girl, how?
What?
What? How?
I was under the impression that you and whatever her name is are brothers and sisters.
I first remember laugh so loud.
What do you mean? I was just about to ask you if you guys are same mother and
I
father.
tell me woman. Many are there, how? And you see me, I talk to her, and you come to touch me, I talk about baby. You put your up on trouble, you know what I said?
Like I said, I was under the impression that you guys were brothers and sisters, so I apologize for any intrusion. But
You're big brother, you're my daughter. I just me woman. Yeah?
okay.
You look so surprised.
I'm not surprised that told you what the story was already. But
what?
you two are so like.
Like what? Say no, me what you to do? You told like what?
Why are you getting so upset? I didn't even say what I was about to say.
So wait, say what you said now?
Can you calm down? You two are different. I mean, she's
Yeah,
loud
different.
and obnoxious, and then you're.
Me just what? You know, say second time disrespect me, yeah? I'm not gonna be a third one. Me low than what? Tell me now, me low than what?
Does anybody tell you're cute when you stammer?
Hey, girl, look, Maddie.
I'm just saying, it's something that I observed. Phone is ringing.
At your house.
Okay. I was thinking it might be your call since you were using it earlier. But if you want me to get it for you, it's not the only thing I can get for you. Mr. Mama's residence. He's right here.
Hello. Hold on, wait, no, low tag, wait, say. No, half a dog not telling you something. No, not that. Wait, say. Say me must go suck out too. Me must go suck.
Trev, what's the matter? Trev, where are you going?
Suck.
Oh my God. Trevor!
Bang!
Trev!
Bang bang boo! Bang! Bang bang boo!
Attitude! Attitude! What me call you and she answer me? Attitude! Me talk to you now. Attitude! What me teeth? What me teeth?
Sir.
God, boy, me want to know you say go and see, you know. You know. What's wrong today? Oh, me see it. The attitude, what you ball so far? Eh? You don't talk to me, man, if something wrong with you. Boy, me I tell you to rot it, boy. God, no, man. My girl just go on some little way with me, you know. You know? Men are inside there, you know, and I just say she go on. Attitude. Talk to me, man.
Let's just go on, man.
Maybe just go on. I know it's when you come from the doctor, you know. You don't say nothing to me. If you go doctor or something, you don't talk to me. Eh?
Are you deaf? Just go on. I don't hear no more. Just go on.
Me rotted. I say you angle me. It's all right. Brown dog. Look what me you go through. And I say you angle me, girl. Eh? Go on. Me I pay rent and me I do everything for you. Yeah? It's all right. Eh? You don't tell me what I go on. You just say run me. No problem. You see me? Me not come back here, sir. Me done with you, sir. As long as you up here, me not come back. Me don't want to see you again. Me done with you, man. Trust me.
I'm pregnant.
What?
You breed? For who?
Which one?
It must be you.
For me. Well, you know, I start to feel no way. I just start to feel, you know, surprised when they tell me, you know, I'm afraid to say for me, no must for me. You know what I mean? What you want now? You see like how you breathe now? You know, see, you have to change all your diet and all them things there now. You have to change your lifestyle. You see all them fast food where you are in here, you have to stop eat them things there now. You hear me say? You have to go up on vegetable and your milk and all that. And you see like how you love pop chow, you have to name no for that. You know, see it? Oh. Hi. So you what? I go down on the road, you see? So anything, you just take care of that. You don't have to feel no way.
What do you mean take care of daddy?
Anything you want, me take care of that.
Daddy saw all this time I tell you, say, I don't like push for me and leave. Me not care, me not a house, me not a business, so me gotta take care of the picnic.
You're not in a house, you're not in a car, you're not in a business. Oh, you have to take care of your picnic. You know, we are chatting. What do I? I green who they are deal with, you know. Me have money, you know. You see it? A Kyle's me have, you know. What do you, man? You know? Oh, watch it now. You want business, you want a house. I'm going to show you. You hear me now? I mean this. She don't know me, man. Yo, I mean, Matalan. You see the house you have on the hill, eh? You have to move out of it. Yeah. Now come collect it tomorrow. All right, no problem. You have a house. you want a car? No problem. You see it? Simple, you know. Yeah. Pantan. Listen. More want a car. What kind of car you want?
Porsche.
What, babes?
Porsche.
More want pouch. Yes. What color?
Black.
Black. Yes, I should say black. I don't know that. I know black, but it's a purple color that. All right, no problem. Black, yeah, good. You want business? I'm here dealing, baby. What is it, man? Money, man. I work for money, you know. NCB. Want a business? What kind of business you want? Fall farm? No, fall farm, man. No, what that? Eh? What kind of business you want?
What daughter and son enterprise?
Daughter and son enterprise. You have that?
Brother and daddy enterprise.
They have that too?
Yes.
Yeah, give me a daddy and brother enterprise. Yeah, anything you have, man. Anything in an enterprise. Cool. All right, good. Yeah, man, everything, Chris. See the baby. You have everything you want.
Sir.
Stop crying, man. Laugh. You know, see, she laugh. You can laugh to the baby. You know? You don't want to laugh and all them way. Enjoy yourself and laugh too.
Daddy, you really get them there for me, Daddy?
Yes, baby, me doing things for you. You understand what I say?
Daddy, me happy.
You happy?
Yes.
Nice, we laugh too. That's something like to see you happy, you know. Yeah, man, now that you're pregnant and I got a baby and you look good and all the way there, so you want, I'm going to leave all the phone with you, see it? It's a nice phone, you know. So just hold that. You understand? You know what name? Apple.
So me can eat it?
No, it's a phone. So just call me anytime. You hear?
Sir?
No feel it, eh?
What you say your name again, sir?
Apple.
What you name, sir?
Green Hood.
Mr. Yamhead never call you from.
Eh? Wait, is that? Oh,
No, man, Mr. Yamhead I want good name, sir, forget.
Yes.
So as of today, anybody ask you what your name, tell them say your name, Mr. Yamhead.
Mr. Yaman.
Yes.
You're a big time joker. Yeah, me have something with you, till you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hold this to your baby.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You can hold that too. You
Thank you,
understand?
sir.
Yes. All right.
Mr. Yamhead.
Remember, you know, baby mother.
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, then.
Oh, God. Hey. That you are nice. God, no. Hey, blessings fall upon me. Goodie, man. Cha-cha. Good girl. I mean, you know about this girl. Hey, Daddy just carry one phone, go and give me. Yeah, girl. I'm coming right out, right through. Say.
Attitude that you may come to talk to student.
What is it, Yvette? Girl, I get house, car, and land. Yes, girl.
Attitude.
Boy, I hear a mosquito sing, but I don't pay no mind. Where you say, girl? Girl, I see Pop Show for about 2 weeks now. Where you say? Where you go? No, girl. You know what's a Pop Show? You know I'm not busy about Pop Show. Let's talk about.
Attitude that you may come to. I don't want the mosquito sing for you.
Yvette, hold on. Me a call her, because I don't want to that old woman here. Yes, miss.
Me want to talk to you about my rent money.
Which rent money you talk about?
Me rent money? What you mean which rent money me talk about? Attitude, me rent money what you owe me?
Don't worry yourself, you know, lady. You're trying to worry yourself, because next year you can't hold me. You can't hold me. I'm going to push my own car. I'm going to own a house. How are you?
Wait. Come here.
Come to the old man here.
Attitude, come here. Come here, attitude. Come here, no man. Reason with me. You're supposed to pay me for 4 things, attitude, and not one something this you pay me for. So come talk to me. Because me might old, but me know that me have me head for my body.
Miss Mama, which 4 things you talk about?
You're supposed to pay me for your brother. You're supposed to pay me for me daddy, for your daddy, and you're supposed to pay me for keep my mouth shut. And this is just for the rent. Come.
Everybody taking your man.
Come, attitude. Nobody ramp with me. Put down the phone and joke.
Policeman,
No, attitude, come no man, attitude,
Miss
brick.
Mama, me nah have more money, Miss Mama.
Brick pan, Come. Thank you very much,
Worry
attitude.
yourself, you know.
Me
You don't worry yourself.
Me not worry myself, attitude. Me look like me worry myself.
Worry yourself.
Remember, so you go stay in here with me, so you have to pay your rent. You have to
Like
pay.
that,
Attitude, you have to pay me. Me done with you.
Miss who come out and a rush
No, you have to pay.
You can't treat
Tired of
me
you know. You have to
What
pay
from
me.
you, sir?
You have to pay me the money.
Miss who come out?
Hurry up.
I feel like.
Okay, go and cuss the foul
Everybody
pen.
taking here.
Go and cuss the foul pen, attitude. Go and cuss the foul pen.
Me just despise when you see man.
You know, it would really help if you could clean up the kitchen when you use it.
As somebody you look for stuff with. Your Isla right there. The Isla right there, miss, go look a man and leave me alone.
My eye is riding me. I guess you'd say the same thing about you. But I guess you have your brother and your father to change it.
Baby love, the Isla change regular. What you say?
You mean the fact that you have your brother and father changing it? How nasty are you? And to be bragging about that.
You know some one, you know some one a little granny for tell us to come out of my business. I tell her, come, hey, you go on to me return a little girl.
Hurt me.
Watch yourself, you know, that me I make you know.
Why don't you try hurting those eyelashes that are covering your eyes? Can you see? Can you actually see?
Hey, nobody stop with me right to say now. That me, hey. Father God, me I beg you, please give me the strength to deal with that girl, yeah. Give me the strength.
You need
One thing me know, you know, me's a very independent girl.
Independent!
So,
you know, I think that my definition of independent differs from you, and I got mine from the dictionary, so I don't know where you got yours from. But the last time I checked, independent does not mean selling your body to two different men, not being able to pay your rent, and not being able to find simple solutions as how you're gonna eat food. So I don't know what you call independent, Miss Attitude, but that's not independent. You're just a bitch.
I mean, I got like that.
Don't see anybody else.
Bitch like your mama. Let's say.
Bitch like my mother.
Yo,
Attitude. Did your mother ever sit you down and tell you that the word bitch came about just about the time when you were born? So my mother could never have been a bitch. Don't get bright.
I have to go up on my knees and pray. Come here.
And don't think that I'm scared of you. Last time you got lucky, you swing and it catch me. Don't try it this time.
Father God, me I beg you, please. Just give me the strength. Just take on another day in this place, please. I can't manage no more. It really has stressed me out.
That's what is matter, man.
Hey, girl, you feel like so beautiful speaking can put food on your table? You think beautiful speaking can parent? Action do it, girl. What me say? Action! Action! Where you not have what me got, girl? Action! Let's say. I cannot understand me now. Action! One leap of action!
Maria get mad at something. Where you help me now, so go on, sir. Eh? We don't would me hear advice and make appear nice. Where go help me now, please, sir?
I miss your pump chong.
Miss me na go on, sir? You mad? I said somebody juice money when you miss somebody. You know, for 2 weeks now, and that's what you act.
I'm pregnant.
You do what?
I'm pregnant.
You pregnant, Dada? Dada pregnant? Yeah! Rastafari. Empress pregnant? Sit down. You know, long way upon this. Daughter pregnant?
Yes, Pacho.
Jah, bless the womb. They're going to bring her a child. Jah. That, you think, no, they won't breed you. You breed her now.
Yes, Pacho.
Hey, we have to take care. This. And I galang say daughter. I lose my child now. You see me tell you say, me I gonna make things better for you. You get a pee. You come here now.
Yes.
You happy?
Yes, Pacho, me happy, buddy.
You tell the father?
Pacho.
You tell the father?
Yeah, but them people attack, Pacho.
People attack say what?
Them tell that they say me breed for gunman.
Smile dead now.
No, Pacho.
Who tell the father so?
No, Pacho.
I the woman.
Pacho, no,
Hey,
Pacho.
woman, don't run.
Stand up, Pacho.
Hey, run it. Hey,
Pacho.
boss of Satan is no man. Woman, me tell you, say, don't call me name now.
Pacho, me say me pregnant.
Where's she there? Me no business. Where's she?
Pacho, I miss mama. Just stop now, please. I can make the bed.
Are you ready?
Oh, no, Pacho. No.
Swear to God, no even tell mama.
No, Pacho, I don't know where I talk.
No even.
Pacho, I know even.
You walk and tell people say what am business boy for? How you for? By the way, how you father getting at this? Eh? When me there and I take care of you. How you never the board? All of a sudden, people are walking to the father, all things about me. Me a gunman, I a brief gunman. How you father getting involved in this, by the way? Tell me.
Were you there for 2 weeks?
What?
Were you there for the 2 weeks, them? You can't answer that,
How
no.
do I jump into this?
I say why you did that for the 2 weeks. If you never there, him did there look after me. And him give me a little sugar and water when I need little something. What you mean by why him a come in at this for? Why you did that, Pacho? Say lucky me there, dash your belly your father how long, you know.
Wait, just that's right. Where's the bo dash?
Say lucky me never dash your belly ya.
Ooh, when me there, looking at this. Look inside.
What up, Pacho?
Look now.
Pacho, where police them there? Pacho, we are doing this, Pacho.
When me there for 2 weeks, I come in the house for 2 weeks. Yeah? I pay Franklin face na that. Yeah? So you ask me when me there for 2 weeks. You know if me I have a 9 to 5 job? You know what kind of work me do? So if you never submit for 2 weeks, hour. So we can't submit for 2 weeks. You can take it at you by me. Me there for 5 years. Me never see your papa yet. 5 years. When you talk about daddy. Me there for 2 weeks. You talk about daddy now. You hear me? I hear daddy breathe you around me. You see that move so fast? Put it on my back. Put it down. Put it down. Never. Let me hear Mr. Demot again. Boy, I get to that my youth. Where you get phone from?
I'm a father, give me. He give me to check up on me.
Don't me tell you something like that. Why you on the phone?
Pacho, I appeal me, appeal you.
I'm not paying now.
Y'all are with my grand picnic. Them have to come face with. I want me with my teacher, see.
Ma, she's really not.
Ah, the catch, the girl catch, she not catch no good catch, and that the hard part, you know.
Your teeth is on the night table.
Me no ramp them way there, you know, Tracy.
Ma, seriously, she's not that important. Can you forget her?
To the amount of other man, and disrespectful. Me not in the ramping and the joking with no girl and my granddaughter. That me tell them.
All right, ma.
Tracy, me dress for 9 night and funeral in a one. You see, Tracy? That means to say me now come home tonight, Tracy. So,
Okay.
Tracy, me no go market yet. Me no have no food in the
Ma,
house.
is lipstick you have on? Ma, come let me fix it for you.
Tracy.
Ma, come it want fix
No,
it.
Tracy, leave it, man, Tracy.
Ma,
Me no
it
have
look
no.
like chicken back, like the aisle, the gravy.
Me no have no food in the house. You alright? Me no have no yam. Me no have no pumpkin.
Yeah,
and
me
me
eat
no-
already.
Me no have no pop chow in here. You hear what me I say? Me no want no pop chow in my blasted house. You hear what me I say? Tracy, you hear what me I say? Good. Now come in tonight. Take care of yourself.
Don't you know it's impolite to take someone's book when they're sleeping? Here, I'll share much page.
That is the way I write. You need to write over back.
Excuse me?
When you write, it's upon socialism, you have to state the facts, your opinion account, and that full up of your opinion.
How did you even know that this was sociology?
That way I go to my been there and done that. Which is upon a different track. When you do them work there, I tell you, I go with advice. You have to sit down and meditate on things. You can't get up and start what you think about. Study. Yeah? See that you want to do.
So basically, being on a different track means that you're a...
Thief. Full-fledged. Diabetic taker.
Wow, so you're going to find something else to do with your life?
Tell me like, what?
What do you mean like what? If you went through what I've been through like you're stating right
You
now,
have been
you
through nothing,
should
girl.
have.
You just go to school.
Excuse me?
You go
You
to
know, it's
school.
people like you. No. I'm sick and tired of this, like...
It is me again.
No, seriously, it is people like you that give Jamaica a real bad name.
People like me.
Imagine, you had the chance to go to school, get an education, and then still turn into this.
It is me again.
I'm
Dada.
just stating the facts.
My country is a disgrace to me. Are you me sorry for? We go to school and take everything at face value. Walk around and pay my papa come and get on a study like you know, come on here. And I go like better than everybody else.
Apparently, I am.
Let me ambush you with a few facts. I send myself to school.
Okay.
Yeah? My father is somewhere home, please. I know my mother. My father go to school and come out with 3 A levels and 2 O levels. Yeah?
But that's more than enough. That's what I'm saying. It's more than enough to get
Ask
you
your
up.
blast the disgraceful country that. Yeah? Me take my subject them when I get at school and try to get a job. You might tell the daughter. And the first job there I go, I daughter long down look at me and me say, because I come from Kingston 13. You hear me?
Really?
Ask the system that, yeah? When I think it can't get no worse, I'm going to look for a different job. In a bank. My tell me say because me stammer that no good for customer relations.
Well,
Look at job now as accountant. No, I never talk to nobody. I never just count for people things and do my accounts. I tell me say me must have 5 years experience and a reliable motor car. No know if me now work. When me forget a motor car.
our 5 years.
If nobody ever employ me, how me forget experience? Data. Me now go through that system there again. Me learn how to beat the system. We take from the same system, we take from me and other people. Less fancy than me. Because if me pop out this, a boy or girl don't ask me if this comes from Kingston 13. They don't ask me if this stammer. I have an experience. You look like it have experience to you. If you want help with the essay, tell the eye and the eye will help the eye. But don't judge the eye.
Trev, I think I owe you an
You know, woman nothing,
apology.
that I next again, that you know, owe people nothing. You know, when nobody in Jamaica, nothing at all. You have to explain things to people, you know, when nobody nothing. If you do something, if I regret it. If I regret it, don't do it.
The thing is, I keep misjudging you. I don't know why.
Because that's how you turn, that's how you grow. Because you learn look about other people where you come from. Can't do that. Everybody has one attitude to deal with. Get that?
Can I ask you a personal question?
You ask question and I just ask again.
Can you come and sit here?
You man,
please?
you're sick.
I'm
Talk.
just trying to know you more. Can
You
you
tell
please
me,
just have a seat?
I'm not idiot, you can't talk to the eye.
Trev,
Question the eye.
can you please sit down?
Me alright, man.
I don't like you being over me. It makes me nervous.
No, talk data.
Can you sit here?
Talk no data. Yeah, made you.
How much do you love attitude?
Well, when I love things, the data, I can answer the eye. That question is not too strong for your data. The attitude, I check for that data good. See? You see, when I go through my crime them and I do my time, I share alone, me see. You know? And she take care of me when me there in prison. With me food and wash my clothes and bring my clothes and every single thing. So, and me know a long time. You see me I say? And I respect the data. So men are good.
That still doesn't answer my question though. How much do you love?
No, me I love thing. A spirit taker do it. My spirit taker, fear spirit take me to always spirit take one that two way I take her. See me? Question answer no.
No. You know what I think? I think you deserve someone who can love you like I will.
That's why I tell you something. You remember? Love
I'd
me.
much rather show you.
Mr. Papcho, sir, me never knew it was you, know, sir. Sir, why attitude not take up her dirty dress? Me tell attitude all the while, so every time she in here and I do things me don't want her, nasty up me couch, you know, sir. Mr. Papcho, sir, me don't know what the problem, but me tired to talk to attitude.
Princess gone bad, that this little angel broke out. Mama little bird.
Let me just upon ground and you naked.
Wait, shut your mouth and see.
Where me shut my mouth? Hey boy, you don't know what's me bust up here in this, you know. Where you go? Me answer my question, but where you go? What? Hey boy.
Seriously though, I needed to get out of my with this
No, Tracy.
Because it's my life and I keep having to tell you that. Why?
No, Tracy, you mean to tell me that you come here and wash your panty, Tracy, and you got to talk about drawers and fire, Tracy? What to you, Tracy? What kind of thing this is?
Watch out! Yeah, hey boy, me say, how is it that you naked and girl naked in yourself?
Yo, stop. Fall back load argument.
What I mean? You know what I mean? Get dark and ignorant in this, you know.
Get that.
Hey, answer my question now. What kind of thing are going on here, so?
Tracy, you not understand me. I try to say, Tracy. Tracy, what kind of kill is this that you have no Tracy in my house?
Ma, it's not carelessness. It's natural for two people who like each other to do those things. And guess what, Ma? I'm frankly, this conversation is going to be over forever because it's my front.
Tracy, what you just tell me a while ago, Tracy?
Ma, it just came up like that. I'm sorry, like...
Tracy, it's your front. Tracy, you're your front. You need to go put your front pan with lock and key and lock it up, Tracy. What to you? Tracy, with the little old thief in Rasta boy, Tracy. Anybody else in the world but him, Tracy.
It's one thing I know in thief, and it's mine.
Stand up there, Tracy. You have to come out of my house, you know.
Ma,
No, Tracy, you have to pack up your things. If you are going to behave them way in a family house, you have to come out of my house. I'm a dead serious, Tracy. Me not in a no. No. Yes, are you? If you go back talk me in a family house, then me not have no talking in my house. Me not have no talking in my house. I'm here to tell you the truth, pan God. Anyhow, you go back talk me, you go talk to the thief in Rasta boy there. You have to come out here, your front, or no pack up and come out. Pack up, you and your front and your panty, where you have on too much days, or no come out of my house.
so you really want me to leave?
Yes, Tracy. You can't listen to me, go.
Fine. I don't have to stay here.
No, Tracy, no stay here. I'm fed up of this now. All the while you want to come back chat me in my house. I don't understand you. You want to come back chat me in my house like this. I don't have no say.
And I am going to live it the way I... Oh. The way I want to. Excuse me. You hit me on my head.
Tracy, you can't still see the little breast milk by your mouth. Tracy, I'm sorry for you, you know. I'm really sorry for you. I don't know how you're going to manage, Tracy. I tell you the truth. Tracy, go.
Just let me
Tracy,
out.
go.
I can't take this anymore. I can't take this anymore.
Tracy, go put down my bag before you leave. You're not going with my bag.
Ma, you gave me this bag for my birthday.
And you hear what I said, what, Tracy?
You know what? You want your bag? You get this stupid bag. Excuse me.
Tracy, you know what me did I say, Tracy. Tracy, relax yourself, no, Tracy. I just the good me want for you, no, Tracy.
There's a difference between wanting good and letting a person choose what's best for them.
You know, say me never serious, man. A joke me did I make, Tracy. Me can't run a little joke with you. You're my only little granddaughter me have left, you know. Me don't have nobody else, you know.
Ma, I really like him. You know that he has 2 A-levels and 4 O-levels?
Gee, me tell you, so the boy is an idiot, you know, Tracy. Same thing me tell you and see that happen now, Tracy. And an idiot you like.
You know what? Speaking of idiot, Ma, did you know that attitude?
Jesus Christ.
Those 2 men are actually her, she and them involved like sexually? Did you know that?
You know why Nancy live in a house top? Because of people business. Leave people business alone, Tracy.
This is my grandfather's house. Everything that happens in this house is our business. You are going to be called upon at the appointed time when everything goes wrong in here. So what do you mean by?
Tracy, just come out of the people in business, man.
Man, this sounds like they are threatening you. Is someone threatening
Nobody not threaten me, Tracy, but just leave no man and relax yourself, Tracy.
Man, one of them has a gun. Do you know what's going to happen if these two men should meet here?
Nothing happen, Tracy. Just mind your own business, me say. Mind your own business and leave them alone. Tracy, go sit down, Tracy.
So tell me something.
Tracy.
Eh?
Tracy.
Tell me something. Eh? How you mean? So what am I doing?
No is the time.
Eh?
No.
No, what the hell are you talking about? How you mean him asleep? Eh? Him asleep?
No is the time.
Him supposed to secure my business, you know.
Look down.
How you mean him asleep? Well, listen, you say him asleep? All you have to do, you see, just throw some curse down and light him backside.
Mr.
So, who come to me? Oh? Where on there? Him coming to my house? Going to me what? Him have on mask? He sanitizing hand? So, tell him must take him backside of our place. Don't come back there. After all, you can't come to people's place and not have on a mask or nothing. No, man. God damn it. Where's my baby?
Your baby.
Yeah. So may I tell you. Everything all right. What you know? Chacabon up in backside. Chacabon. He must sleep. Chacabon him up. Hold on there. Right. How it is? Attitude? No attitude. She a bleach. Attitude?
Yes.
You change.
Attitude change. Little touch her and make sure.
Do not touch.
Attitude.
Attitude gone at the doctor, sir.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because she frightened me. Come here and say, oh, she bleached so much.
Is that really a million know Mr. Greenwood?
So she gone a doctor.
Yes.
So what she say happened to her?
Me don't know, you know, sir. But something serious happened to her, so she gone check it out. You just have to lend her some money, you know, sir. Yes, sir.
No, my money.
No, have it, you know, sir.
No, I will give it back to you.
Thank you,
No
sir.
problem back.
Me
You
give
see?
her about 10,000 for your taxi fare.
All right.
Oh, Tracy did borrow some money too from me.
No. All right, darling. I know you don't want to. Yes. As such, them stay down people, see? So take that, see? And this is for Tracy.
Yeah, man, the money where she did borrow. Maybe give it to her, yes, sir.
Anything she wants, you see?
Yes.
Just give it to her and help her same way, you see? And take care of her, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Anything at all,
right,
you just give it to her and call me.
All right,
Or you can just call me and then give it to her.
All right,
All right?
sir.
I'll give it to her and then call me.
Yes, Mr. Yamid, sir.
Matter of fact, if you call me, you don't get me, just hold that.
All right, Mr. Grateful.
All right? Make sure she's all right here.
Yes, sir. I'll make sure she's all right, sir.
All right.
All right, sir.
Ma, you're such a child. Annie, when are you going to grow up? I swear, sometimes I told you I did not want to be caught in this mess, and you still lure me into the mess.
You're not in the mess, Tracy. You're not in the mess house.
So why you use my name to him a while ago?
Never.
Why you take the man money? You give Attitude any money?
Me give everything
You
to
must
me,
act
man.
like a big man sometime, man.
Tracy, relax, no, man.
You
Live
know,
on
I overheard her telling the two men that she's pregnant.
two.
The two of them, so both of them believe that she's pregnant for them. And I don't think, you know what? Just remember that I, Tracy, and Biggs did warn you.
You know, say attitude not easy, though. You know, so me hear say she a got married, though, Tracy. Attitude not easy, you know.
What?
Me think she pack up her things, them, so she said,
No, it's not foreign. Seka because she tell the man say she pregnant, him buy house and car and business and all this. Ma, if you hear at the time and hear her, she's wicked.
She said attitude have to figure this out on her own. Me, you can't figure it out for her.
Man, you lucky you want to figure out young girl. Excuse me,
She said.
You know, explain yourself, Pop
How do you explain to myself? You come in here place because you're stopping the woman just that.
Pop Chow, me see the girl over here and you over there. So what you expect me to do?
Oh, that's me facing that. Every time this girl, everybody get jumpy. What do you? I don't know what happened to the girl. The girl in an argument.
Pop Chow, you just, all you do is just get angry with me and you just not explain nothing to me.
Because you go on like you're too dark, man. Here, hold this.
What that no?
That's a receipt.
Receipt for what now, Pop Chow? Pop Chow, you really bad want to see me, Pop Chow?
So, who find you? You want to put on my one?
Pop Chow, I love you, Pop Chow.
That's what I'm telling you. I'm going to take you out of this. One way or the other, don't.
Yes.
You're cool, man. Alright?
Okay.
Now go on the road, you know.
Alright, okay.
Where go on to eat? Can you know for money, you know?
Yeah, I feel hungry.
You what?
I want 10 pieces of chicken, I want wings, I want a Burger King, I want double whopper, some go large fries. Bears, remember I'm pregnant.
One steam fish and okra. That's all. But go now then. Whopper and kimchi.
Steam fish and so, sir, Pamela Blake. Hey, that little guzumia does a work wonders, so. Jesus. Every time I say I get house care, what next house again? Oh God, I barely can dash for you now. Barely I dash right now. That's what me heavy, man.
Mom, what's wrong with her?
Attitude.
Ma, don't touch her. Attitude, what's wrong with you?
Somebody that shot up on the ground.
Oh God, get her.
Water, what you mean water on the ground?
Ma,
Attitude.
take her up, take up her foot.
Attitude, what you mean water on the ground?
Attitude, lift up your body.
Attitude, talk to me now. Which water you talking about on the ground? Attitude.
Somebody that shot up on the ground. You know I'm going to lose the belly.
Ma, don't watch it on the ground.
Attitude, which belly you never have no belly? Attitude, which belly you talking about? Attitude.
Oh my God.
Attitude, no bother with the ramping right now. Attitude. Attitude.
Attitude, why you so lie?
Attitude. Hi. Stop your ramping now. Attitude.
Hello, you need to get up off of the ground. You're not even cleaning the ground. You need to get up. Why are you faking this? What are you? We both know, we all know that you're not pregnant. So why are you faking? Get up. Man, let her. You need to put her out. Tell you about this tenant business.
You're wicked, innit? Attitude, you're really wicked.
Not this.
Come, Tracy, take her up.
I'm not taking her up. She's not sick. And you're an idiot if you believe her.
Me no know what I'm doing. You know she just start ball.
I'm true.
Ma, let me handle this.
What do you want?
Listen, shut up.
What do you want?
Me no know. You know she just start ball. You know Pop Chow.
Somebody that shot up on the ground and I'm going to lose the belly and they never want to take me up.
No, Trev, this is all a misunderstanding. Listen to me.
Me no know.
Ma, let me handle this. Trev.
Them wicked.
Trev.
Them wicked.
Trev, listen to me. She's not. Trev. Pop Chow.
Hey, but you not touch you about you, man. Yes, I'm going to touch you. Hello, come back here.
No, but me.
When we come back, make sure she have it.
How me gonna do that, sir?
Make sure my own. Come here.
Attitude, come, because me have to breathe you, because me don't want that. Come, attitude. Come, attitude, me serious attitude. Come, man, come. Attitude.
Oh my God. What's up to you, baby? What's up to you, sweetheart?
Somebody don't show up to put a girl and lose the belly.
Make you lose a bit? Who did that? Eh? Is it none of that?
Me not know you know.
Yeah, you blasted granny. Look what me coming and me do for you. Don't say that to me. I don't want sound. Eh? Imagine. Look how you did my woman. Eh? I come in and I give you money when you're damn hungry. And I feed you. When you're naked and I close you. Look how you get out and shut up backside. Don't say that to me. Eh? Damn it. Move the backside and go away. Look how you doing my picnic. Eh? Look how you doing. Am I picnic like that, you know?
Sir, do not.
Sir, your backside. Sir, what? Sir, kiss me ass, but sir.
Mind your pressure, mind your
My pressure, my backside. Oh, pressure. Look what you do. Eh? Look what you do.
Your prostate, your prostate.
Leave my prostate alone. You don't jump your damn face out harder. Watch it. Hey, watch it. You see that? Make sure you know. When me come back, she breathe now. Or else you go and talk to lawyer.
Wait, me.
Oh.
What that?
And make sure you feel me. Good.
Me no know. You can have twins with two different men. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Cause you're gonna breathe right now. You know, me not have time for you. No, come here, attitude. Come here. Me not have time for you. You know what? Come, attitude. Tell them say you're pregnant for me. Attitude. Attitude, come, my man. Attitude, but serious something now. Fun and joke aside. Come now, attitude.
You see what you cause?
Oh my God.
Ma, I warned you about this girl. I kept telling you what is going to happen at the end of the day, and you kept...
Tracy, them say me fi breathe, that is all me know say go happen. I don't know how it go happen, Tracy. But relax yourself, that Tracy done gone bad already.
Attitude.
Tracy, why you take off your ring, Patrick? Nobody take off the ring. Tracy, why you behave?
Attitude.
Tracy, why you behave so strong?
Attitude. Hey girl, come out of this no man.
Jesus. Tracy, what your problem, Tracy?
Attitude.
Tracy, leave attitude alone, no man. What your problem, Tracy?
Hey girl, come out of this. Hey girl, come on. Let go. Let go. Let go. Come out of this. Hey girl.
Tracy.
You know how me? Hey girl, you know how me?
Tracy, what are you doing?
Hey girl.
No, Tracy. No.
Hey girl, fuck your things out. Come out of this.
Tracy, no, Tracy.
Man, let go for me. Man, go sit down one side if you know what good for you now. Hey girl, come out of this, you know. Don't chat here, you when them two men come back in here. You try me, then no say never did I breathe, you know.
Tracy,
it's me.
no, Tracy,
Man, let me go.
Tracy, no, me don't know if you.
Girl, get out,
this,
man.
This real or a fake?
Ma, go sit on one
Tell me
side.
this real, no?
Ma, go sit on one side. Hey girl, get up now, man. Hey girl, come out of this, you know. How you feel like?
Tracy, you don't have to.
Hey girl, go take up our things, them back. Yo, she have to go. Tell the man the truth. Girl, get up and tell the man the truth, you know. Tell the man the truth. Tell her what she
Wait. Make we fix this.
Tell her what she telling, you know.
Lord God.
Stop talking to the man, but tell her what she telling.
Youth, help me there, youth. Oh my God, youth.
Get up and tell the man the truth now.
Wait, no, man. This. Yeah. Come. Lift up now. Lift up.
I can't believe who big idiot what you told them.
Trevor.
Pops?
They know one another.
Miss son.
What the hell?
Family ram this.
Pops, I'm bad.
So she didn't know?
Attitude, I take the father and the son.
Trevor, you're not in England. You're not study.
No, I'm a quarantine. And I keep party. Attitude, wake up. Attitude, me rent money.
Are you to explain? Trevor, what you do here, sir?
Baby mother.
You what?
I feel the other one too.
Where did my baby mother?
You're so nice.
Explain what going on to me.
Come on.
She have two baby father one time.
Shut your mouth.
Oh.
Trevor, explain, no?
Attitude.
Attitude. Attitude. Me can't get my rent money. Attitude, serious.
This is a joke thing.
No, but I want my rent money before she did. Come, attitude, money.
Trevor, what go on?
Smart talk, phone start class, man. Please. Tell me what going on now.
What you all about?
What do you mean what me laugh about?
Smart, explain to me what going on now.
She said the clown was a clown.
Yo, Trevor, you have a lower your voice when you're talking to my granny house here.
What?
Big clown. I say you have a lower your voice when you're talking to my granny house. You hear that?
Oh, sorry. Girl! Girl, you think you can shoot my...
Hey boy. Sit down with your old hey boy. From day one, I want to do that, you know.
Look
I
at
should not even know, you know. The two are no idiot. The girl are going to make come around in this. You think she have a rich look like somebody where the idiot? I can't believe you. I swear think you was a bad man. Could have teach me the ropes. But no more than you are fool.
Come on.
I have 14 to stop what's going on here. No, you do. Come with the lame self. The girl take you for idiot.
Let me
You
grab
just pack up and come out to my mother granny house, you know. That me and me colonel.
Let me grab that.
My the next one to you know me. Hey, she not even knowing.
Look at you. Look at me.
You share this with you?
Hey, everybody making moves. Why don't you make the right move? See the money move, money move. Want you to do the money move, money move, money move. Want you to do the money move. Put your two arms in your pocket. Take out some money for all your brethren. Save some money for little Harry. Save some money for figure back. Save some money for one shadow man. Money move, money move. Want you to do the money move. Money move, money move, money move. It's a money, money move. See, just to push your two arms in your pocket. Take out some money for all your brethren. Save some money for your mother and father. Save some money for your sister. Save some